Hi guys.
Hey y'all.
This week's video is going to be a little bit different.
Yep.
As you can see, we are now working in a disaster area.
It's time to clean it up.
Yeah, of course,
a mess.
we didn't sweep Friday because we knew we were going to be doing this today. So we're going to do a shop reset, which is long overdue. I'm embarrassed, honestly.
Starting our shop reset, we're going to start by doing some cleaning.
Yeah. We're going to go upstairs, up our satire balustrade.
Somebody said our staircase in the back was fake.
Yeah,
it's not.
It's not. There's a whole area up there where we have crap stuffed.
Yep.
Because we can't seem to throw stuff away, but we're trying to get better at that.
We are.
So he's going to go around and blow the walls off. He's going to blow upstairs, blow everything out.
Yep.
And then I'm sure there'll be a whole nother layer of dust that will settle. I know there will be, because we've done this before. And we're going to clean underneath everything.
We're going to throw some scraps away.
Yes.
Do a little bit of garbage removal.
Yeah, that's why I have my hair covered today, because I don't want a bunch of dust in my hair.
This is our step one of beautification of the wood shop. So
yeah, I mean, it's not going to be beautiful like a set because we work here, but we're going to build new tables. We're going to build a new oven and show you guys how to do that to dry our stuff. A lot of people have shown interest in seeing how to do that, so we're excited to do that. We're going to as you see this table right here, it's just nothing underneath it. Well, crap underneath it, but we're going to rebuild them to where there's shelves underneath and try to maximize our space. That way, you know, instead of having a bunch of shelves sitting around, we can have stuff underneath.
Make more room.
Make more room and just, you know, make the most out of our space. We're going to do that to the oven too. We have a stain table over here. Aaron's got his table. We're gonna redo it with shelves. The sanding table right there, we put in the most worst possible place we could have put it.
Very unideal. Right
by the door of my office where I do my clocks and stuff. And so all the dust goes in, so we're gonna try to move that. But yeah, all this stuff is way overdue. We've been using this table for 8 years. So, and our sawhorses, pick up a sawhorse and show them how terrible they look. All this overspray. So
these are probably 7 years old,
and they weigh a ton because of all this crap on them. So we're gonna make new sawhorses. We're not gonna do all of this in this video, of course. Today is just gonna be cleaning and getting rid of junk we don't need.
Some of these shop upgrades may be valuable to you guys. I know lots of people have limited space where they can work on their stuff. We're going to try to solve some of those problems for us and maybe for you as well. So there you go.
It's going to get messy.
Right.
Really, really messy. So well, let's get started. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, lots of people have asked what this table is or does. It's a vacuum table. It sucks the sawdust down through the filter. You see how long it's been since I've cleaned it. Just haven't had time. So we're going to start first thing clearing this out, vacuuming this up, and then we're going to go up and start blowing stuff out.
Blow out the satire balustrade, as they called it. So one of the bad things about having a shop that is just one big garage door that opens up into it, as you can see all of these leaves on the ground, we had some pallets stacked right there, and so, you know, over time all these leaves and just debris blows in, and so it just gets messy even if you try to keep it clean. Wood shops are dirty, y'all. Good grief. Oh. anybody has any ideas on how to not have a bunch of crap blowing your garage door, let us know.
That would be keep the door closed.
Yeah, but it gets too hot, so we can't do that. Where did my dustpan go? This is gonna be a mess. Ugh. Looks like a volcano.
Okay, this is the back half of the shop blown forward. I don't know if you guys can see, about an inch deep. We're going to sweep this up and then we're going to blow some more. So yay.
Alright, what the heck are we doing now?
We're going to move the stuff into the new drawers.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to clean up the saw station over there.
Okay. Yay. And then we're gonna rearrange the table so that all the dust, well, there's still gonna be dust going in my office, but it'll cut back, I think. And it's really hard to stay motivated, y'all. It's really hot and humid. Yeah. I guess let's get started.
So the messy cart from hell is getting replaced. We've got a double drawer file cabinet we're going to move in here and use until we can get our fancy new table built. So
that part is just crap stuff.
It's just crap everywhere.
Yeah, and
tired of it.
Yeah.
Nope.
There's a lot of organizing that needs to be done. We're gonna go through this pile of wood right here and possibly put our sander and drill press permanently. We do need to build a new miter table though. We've got a new saw we want to use there. It's one we've already had at home, but it's a Matoba? What
Hitachi.
Hitachi.
With the new name.
So it's built a little different, so we'll have to build a new miter station for it. But yeah, look at this crap, you guys. I can't say much. I'm not super organized in my office either, but good grief.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. What about this? Okay. A broom that never gets used. That's funny. Wow. There you go. I had someone ask me how my makeup stays on. So good. Well, I can tell you it's not staying on today. How's your makeup doing? Good. I'm kidding. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Yeah. I know this isn't our usual video, but we figured you guys would like to see something better than nothing. Right. So it's not a super noticeable difference in our shop. It's a lot cleaner to us. Yep. I mean, there was a lot of dust underneath stuff and all around. It was a mess, wasn't it? It was awful. So not even clean either. We just really had to take the time to get it done, and poor Aaron had to blow the shop out. So yeah, there may be some more videos like this here and there. Yeah. Like she said, we'd rather show you something than nothing. Yeah, when we get pressed for time and we have to work and film, sometimes filming has to be part of our work. So short and sweet. I hope you guys understand. Well, thank you again. Love you guys. We'll see you on Sunday. Bye. Bye-bye.